This is my place. We got fridges and freezers, and there's my place there. Going through stuff. We got a sidewalk full of fridges and hot water tanks and washer and dryers. There's my fridge. I guess mine was the heaviest. I had too much in it, I guess. I'm not their favorite person today. Bins of memories, and all my photographs are gone. My slides, my negatives, my parents' wedding pictures and my baby pictures. Oh, all gone. What can you do? There's another full bin. It's a busy Sunday in High River, Alberta. I was lucky. Didn't get no water in my garage. Everything basically that was down up high in my basement is now in my garage. I'm sorting through stuff. I've been pretty lucky because I did put stuff up high. My flowers are still alive. They're just really thirsty. But yeah. Who was to know? Who was to know?